Say uh-oh. Hey, Anderson! Oh, no!
Jump, Sophia!
What happened? We're supposed to be going to your playgroup. Did you get stuck?
He's like a little dirt waddling in the water. Get her, Grandpa! Get her!
No, she don't get her.
I'm videoing this. Let's go, easy. Come here. Go for him. Come to her. Go! Come here! Hurry! Joel, tell us.
I need that.
Oh. Get up. Get up. Okay. Get up. Get out of here. Get up. Do it again. Oh my God. What are you doing?
I'm painting the ground, Mom.
Lance. What are you doing?
I never done that before.
No! No, no! You just decided to just sit down right in the mud puddle? Yep. Wow. Okay. We have...
Whoa, Daly! Oh no!
Luca, what you doing? I don't want any. No, thank you. No, thank you.
Hunter, it's...
Look at Nana's face. Look at Nana's face. Did you get into the mud?
No.
What happened to your hands? What is that on your hands?
No.
Mud, how did it happen? How did that happen?
I don't really know the specific spot where I'm supposed to be digging, so I'm digging.
No bucket full.
Jake. Jakey. Jake. Hello. He looks like E.T. He looks like E.T. waddling. Oh, no. His pants are falling.
2, 3.
Uh-oh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hunter. Happy birthday to you. That's a great video, Hunter.
Oh,
Hopper, what are you doing? Hopper, look at Mima. What are you doing? Why are you splashing? Are you going to have to go in the tub now?
No.
Yeah, I think you do.
Was that total too?
Buddy,
How
what
about
happened?
you shed across the road?
Go down in the middle. Sit down in the middle. Now roll.
He's gonna probably have to take a nurse bath.
I don't know. Last Friday when you guys were here, he had to take 2 baths, remember?
Yeah. That was a break. It was like a down. I hold you. No, my.
Oh no!
Toma el video.
Jenny!
Don't go in the mud! Ah, baby! Right. Did you find the mud? Come here. Don't put it in your mouth. Alright, guys. Come here.
Hi, Etta. Say hi. What's wrong? Oops, I forgot. That doesn't work on TV.
I'm filming.
Let's see what this baby can do.
Liam, it's okay, buddy.
What you got? What are you doing? You bad you. What have you been doing? Playing? Have you been playing in the mud? Back up. Don't touch me. Girl? Have you been playing in the mud? Did you make a mud bath? You want to wash your hands? How about your whole body and my kitchen floor? Anything else? You're going to wash your hands? Olivia, turn around. What happened to you?
Grace, what are you doing?
We found the only puddle here. Oh, good.
Hello!
Hurrah!
Hello!
Hurrah! Help! What happened to you? You don't know? What happened to you?
I think he splashed me with dirt over there.
Did you do that to Yaya?
Yeah.
You did?
So full.
Huh?
So full.
Look at you.
Do you need a... Do you...
No.
Are you dirty?
Bath.
You need a bath?
No. Poop.
Is that mud?
Poop.
That's not poop.
Mud.
Mud?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like poop,
Yeah, because it's brown like it.
but it's mud.
Yeah.